Hello? Maldogoka. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Are you at the office? Because you asked me to come to the office to bring some of my stuff. Yes, for you to buy for your girl. Are you in the office right now? So when are you returning, sir? Oh, okay. Till you return then. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Alright, sir. Take care.
Madam,
Hmm?
I beg you, you go help me. Start my Insta for that place. Now my neighbor before. I beg, help me. Make I just carry am.
Okay.
I beg, make you no busy. I can't go drop you. I can't come back. I can't carry her again.
Okay.
I beg. So that if I drop you, I'll go drop her. If I drop you, I'll go drop her too.
Okay, it's fine.
Thank you. Manela, good morning.
Hey, Victor. Now you. How you doing now?
Fine.
You don't already carry person self.
Where they go?
Now just 2 streets away from here.
No wahala now. Enter. Where should they go? No day far.
No wahala. Victor, wait. No move, Abeg.
Wait. Ella, wait. What's the problem? Where they go again?
I don't say.
Now she know wetin make her calm down because the fire of God in me, it dey burn her. She no fit stay now.
Victor, move your keke.
She don't go. She no fit stay. Come and sit down. You cannot stay.
You be evangelist.
I be evangelist. You no know. She no fit stay. Come and sit down now. It go burn you. Hold on, please.
It's fine. I don't keep things in mind for so long. If I won't come, I will tell you right away. I'm sorry. I had to ask Sarah for your number. Yeah, she told me she was the one that gave you my contact. No offense. Okay. Please sit. Thank you. Dorothy, first of all, I am sorry I fought with you. I apologize for all the things I sent to you. It was out of anger. Please don't take it seriously. It's all good. I have forgotten about it. But I, Dorothy, do not belong to the category that fights over a man. I called you here to let you know who Ekene truly is. He has said a lot of things about you. He has rubbished you to me on several occasions. He said a lot of irritating, disgusting things about you. You mean Ekene? Yes. Yes, I feel I should tell you, so you will know how to do things with him. For me, I do not have the patience to change him. And I know that having you in his life, he will turn a new leaf. Though he sleeps around with all kinds of women. But something tells me that you will make him change. For me, I am done with him. I do not want to have anything to do with him anymore. I don't want to say, so you won't go and tell him. For me, I am done with him. Whatever you are doing, just be very careful. Linda, but if you don't tell me, how will I know the area to be careful about Ekene? Promise me you will not tell him. You can count on me. Ekene told me you are an orphan and a whore. He said you have drugged him severally and you took advantage of him. And he has been maintaining the relationship because you don't have anyone to run to. So you mean that is not all? He also said that you gave him infection. And he has been battling, trying to treat it. Now that was exactly what you both were trying to settle the day I met you both. So just be careful.
So you mean Ekene said all of this rubbish?
Yes, and please do not tell him I told you.
Linda, thank you so much for this meeting. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I'll have to take my leave now.
Okay, we are friends now, right?
Yeah, sure we are.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
I can't wait to hear what will happen next. Ekene, I told you, you have no idea of who you are dealing with.
Oh, baby.
My love, I cannot wait for you to start working so you can take care of me like the queen that I am.
Definitely. And I would love to run my own business.
I know. It's good to be your own boss. I know that fact.
You get it?
Yes. I mean, take a look at me that's running a small business. I am not answerable to anyone. But that does not mean if a good offer comes, I'll decline it. Never.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that reminds me. The old man the rich old man you talked to me about 2 nights ago. Are you really serious? You're kidding?
No, I am not kidding. Do you know that rickety, disgruntled old man offered me 500k weekly plus Range Rover to date him? I mean, not the Range Rover though, but the 500k is weekly to date him. Can you imagine?
It's a lie.
Ew.
Range Rover! And, hey, God in heaven, please, this one must manifest in the name of Jesus Christ.
What are you saying?
Yes, now.
I don't understand. Look at me. So you want a 90-year-old man? That scruffy old man? For me, a young, sweet girl like me, to date that kind of old, disgusting man? Never.
What are you talking about now? What has this sweet, young, this thing done for you? Any money in your bank? Nothing. See, collect the Range Rover and the money. We need it. I need to start up my own business. You know now, my friend has been promising me all this while, but nothing is coming out. I don't understand. See, it's not like I'm encouraging you to sleep with a man, but I know you now. Just find a way around it. Don't just keep in, but always give him false hope.
No, get a CBO, that kind of old man. What if he just came to exchange my destiny because of money? Somebody has to be careful.
You're making a point too.
Oh. Sorry. Hello, Linda. What's up? I hope you girls didn't fight too. Because you didn't tell me what you wanted to discuss with her. Tell me, what did you tell her? What? You this girl, you know well, oh. How would you tell her something like that? Oh. Hey, because you want Ekene to hate her. Linda. I bet this is stubborn, no. But I don't see person when Chris pass me. If you agree, I swear. Winch. Demonic human. No. I will soon come now. Very soon. Oh yeah, now when I come, go just stand plenty. Alright, dear. Bye.
Did you cut?
Yes, I've ended the call.
Like, say this is your friend, the para too much.
Babe, I thought I was a stubborn one. I didn't know that my flatmate was worse than me.
Oh.
Yes.
Man, I don't... Hold on a minute.
Oh.
Did you just inform her that you're coming back soon?
Hey, Babe, I've been here for 4 days.
And so?
I need to go home. Come on. Stop. Okay. Take. Take now.
No. What do you see? That old man.
Oh, please. Yeah. Drink.
We have to talk about
No, we're not talking about anything. I love you.
Yes, Aaron, I will send somebody to the house tomorrow. I want you to give her that proposal you were supposed to deliver for me, please.
Why did you have to change your mind? You thought I won't go?
No, I just want somebody from the office, from my office, to deliver it.
Really? Okay, no problem. But is she attractive?
Hey, Aaron, don't dare. Behave yourself now. The use will swear for you.
Calm down. Now, simple question I just ask. I don't kill anybody. You know this kind of errands, you need a very beautiful, sexy lady and not a girl that is shapeless.
Guy, I know why you are asking. So don't patronize me.
It's the person I want to try help.
She's beautiful. She's sexy. That is what you want to hear. Are you happy now?
So as you tell me now, did you die? Did you change your name from Efe to Coconut Head?
Well, I say this boy, you don't the smoky bow. See, I use God beg you. When she comes, behave yourself. I beg.
Yeah. I don't hear. Anything else?
Nothing. I'll reach out to you before she comes.
I know what I know. Just get out from my phone, please.
This boy, I pity you.
Bye, guy. This safe here can be funny sometimes.
This boy and woman, Aaron.
Yeah, open the gate.
Okay, sir. Move.
Dorothy!
Yes. Wait. Don't tell me you're the one Efe asked to pick up the proposal.
Of course, it's me.
What? A small world.
It's indeed a small world. And it's been long we met.
Yes. We met last in 2020 at your mother's burial.
You're correct. Yes, that's true. You're correct.
And that reminds me. How about Ekene? Have you been hearing from him?
Yes, we always link up, and he also resides in this city.
That is a lie.
I'm serious.
Really?
Yes, he's in this city.
Give me his contact.
Sure, why not?
ASAP.
Oh. Babe, what's up?
I do.
You did not go to work?
No, today is my off day.
Oh,
How far?
I'm okay. Babe. See, the thing is, I've been having this irritating discharge. I don't know if it's an infection.
Babe, you need to see a doctor to know what's up.
Doctor?
Don't just overlook it. You need to do something about it real quick.
I just hope it's not an infection.
Obviously it is. You shouldn't have slept with that guy like that.
I know.
I know if you try am. As far as we are not married, look, now only yourself you feel vouch for. You don't know what they will call for your absence.
I know, right? The thing is, I've never done it before. Like, each time I tell him to use a CD and everything, but I don't know why I did it this time. I shouldn't have.
That means you are aware he cheats on you.
Before Uncle, you don't marry me. My darling, I cannot be policing a man around now. Definitely, we're not married, so he'll want to sow his royal oats out there. But, God, what do I do?
I understand, my dear. I think you should browse the internet to have a clue of what it is.
You have a point. Just do that right away.
Who is there? Who is there?
Can you please lock the door and come so that we can talk?
Say whatever you want to say and leave.
That's it.
I did not ask you to come in. Neither did I tell you to sit down.
Please, Linda, ignore my manners. Just sit so that we can talk. I am not here for quarrels. Like I said before, I am not here for quarrel.
Then tell me why you are here. Because I do not have time for an ungrateful person like you.
Linda, you have done a lot for me and I wouldn't want to hurt you. You're such an amazing person. Kind, hardworking, and to crown it all, your sociality is top-notch.
Oga, save those sermons and go straight to the point.
Linda, I know you'll be thinking that I'm having an affair with Dorothy.
That's the truth. Or are you trying to deny it? Anyways, that is none of my business. I don't leave you for her. Make two of now marry, born children.
This is ridiculous. You're so funny.
Sisi, I beg, come to go. Because I know whatever you are going to say right here will not make any sense to me.
It's because you refuse to give me your listening ears. There is nothing on earth that I will say here now that will make sense to you. You just want me to say yes to all that you have been accusing me. Like I said before, Linda, Dorothy is my sister. If you don't believe it, fine. You can do the finding yourself to see if I am lying.
Hey. Men can lie when it comes to relationship. Ekene, have you forgotten you told me Dorothy is your girlfriend? Huh? Hey!
Linda, I don't know what I will say for you to believe me. Anyways, here is the document.
Documents for what?
Remember you told me how you've been intimidated in your office by your female colleague who always intimidates you with her car. So since that day, I made a promise of getting you one. I had to play a game with sum of 100,000 naira. I had to take the risk to play the game. And they said the lucky person will go with the brand new car. I had no choice than to take the risk. I did it with your details under my name. And finally the result came out successfully yesterday and I happened to be the lucky winner. I went there today to confirm if everything was intact. And finally all was fine. I went to check one or two things, but everything there was okay. Congratulations to you. They will call you any moment from now. Huh? I have to go.
So she didn't believe you at all?
I am telling you nothing but the truth. There was no sign of appreciation, not even a single excitement. Maybe she thought I was faking the car to use it to, and settle with her.
You know what? Don't worry. She will be speechless when she receives a call from those people. Trust me, she will.
She will? See, Dorothy, listen, you made mention of Sarah being your friend. Are you telling me the truth or you're trying to pull my legs?
Yeah, Sarah is someone I got connected to a few months ago and we became friends.
Dorothy, why not talk to Sarah on behalf of me? Maybe she will talk to her. There's no better person to talk to her than Sarah. She will listen to her. Please, please help me.
You know Linda is a very difficult person. I'm going to talk to Sarah. I just pray she listens to me.
She will. She will. Just help me out. Please, I am begging you. Okay. No better person to talk to her now than Sarah.
Okay, I have heard you. That reminds me, I saw Aaron and he gave me a contact.
Yes, he called me yesterday. Even this morning, he called me this morning. And I told him when I'm free, I will get back to him.
Yes, because it's been long you both connected. Honestly.
Don't worry. I will call him back as soon as I am done. Just, where are you heading to?
I'm not going home yet. I want to see a lady. And once I'm done, then I'll get home.
Then get into the car. Let me drop you. I'm going out.
Are you serious?
I will drop you there. Don't bother yourself. Just hop in.
Thank you.
Aaron, I just asked you a question. All I need is a simple answer. Being will not solve any issue.
I need to be sincere with you, Sarah. Yes, I was the one. So I had a fling with a girl unprotected. I know that's so foolish of me, but believe me, she's not my girlfriend. I tell you, I met her on the road. I spoke to her and she accepted. I was just carried away. That's all. I'm really sorry I had to transmit the STI to you. Please forgive me. I beg you. But I've started having treatment, and in a few days I'll be fine.
It's easy for you to say sorry. But do you see what your inability to control yourself has caused?
I'm truly sorry.
You know what? Every single treatment or medication I'll take, you will definitely take care of it.
Yes, I will. I will take every responsibility of my actions. Yes, I will. Financially and otherwise, I will. Please. I'm really sorry.
Don't you dare come close to me.
I'm sorry!
Hello? Yeah, good day.
Yes, this is Linda Daniels. Oh, you are calling from Steady Motors? Wow, that is good. Are you serious? Yes, he told me. But I thought he was joking. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, I know the office. I'll come to the office. Who doesn't know the office? Except the person is new in town. Yes, ma. Thank you so much, ma. I'll be coming. Yes. Thank you. Yay! I thought he was joking. Oh my God, Steady Motors. Even look at it.
Hey! Ikene was not lying, no. I'm not a cow now. Should I tell Sarah? No, not now. Not now. Hey! Kaona! Wow. Hey. I have a car now. Hey! I can't wait to look at it! Who is there? Oh, Sarah, how far now? Okay, welcome. Thank you. What happened? Oh, you stayed long though.
Yeah, I know. I had to go to my shop first. Then I went to Aaron's house.
To confront him, I guess.
Yeah. I needed him to look me in the eye and deny it. But the funny thing is, he owned up to it. And he apologized.
Oh. His own is good. If not some guys, they go deny him. Still confuse you on top, as if you don't know what you are saying.
Mine is, I just want to get out of this mess. This whole thing, it's driving me crazy.
I understand.
You do?
Mm-hmm. I do.
Linda?
Hmm?
So you contacted STD and you never thought to tell me about it?
I beg. Which kind of rubbish talk be that one? Eh? I tell you say I get them.
But you just said you understand. And what does that connote? It means, you know, you're talking from experience. I mean, the way you said it that you understood, it means you've had STD before and you're giving me like a first-hand, you know, support that you understand what I'm going through.
Sarah, don't make me vex so. What I'm trying to say is that I understand what you are going through. I mean the pain.
Oh.
Now wow.
I'm sorry about that. I just felt you had said, you know what, forget about it. My head is clouded. I think I'm all over the place. Sorry.
Babe, you don't chop today, so. Okay, I better go chop. Your face no good. Babe.
Ella, why didn't you tell me that you have STI? You allowed me to have unprotected sex with you, and this whole thing is costing me a lot of money taking care of it.
So how is that supposed to be my business? If you like spend 10 million, 100 mil is none of my business, Oga.
My goodness! Is this all you have to say? After allowing me to do what, to have intercourse with you, be unprotected? I'm telling you the whole thing is making me spend a lot of money and you're here telling me it's not your business. Are you okay?
Did I just hear you say after allowing you have unprotected sex with me? You just said that. Didn't I tell you to use a condom the other day? Or did I tell you to use a condom or not? Did I tell you to use a condom or not? You're just spewing nonsense.
No, please, stop. Listen, I know we had an agreement, but please, I'm not in the mood at all.
See, baby, I am in the mood right now, okay? See, if you're afraid that Efe will come in, don't worry, it's not coming anytime soon. Do you understand?
Okay, run! Okay, even if we are going to do anything, at least, let me see the condom you're going to use.
Come on now, there is no condom here. See, there is no condom here. By the time I go outside and get this condom, come on. Hey, come on now. What is wrong with you now? My mood will get down, please.
Oh, please stop. You cannot go unprotected with me now. What if one of us have infections?
Infection? You know we don't have infections now. Eh? None of us have infection. Let's just do this thing now. Please.
Please, I have infections. I have infections. Since you don't want to accept that you have, I have. Please.
Okay. I know what you're trying to do right now. You're trying to scare me away, right? But that one will not work. Give it to me now. I didn't know you were serious that day. I thought you were joking.
You thought I was joking. That's the result of the joke. I told you, but you wouldn't listen.
Man, that's because that day, man, my body's just overcharged. So activated.
Because your body was activated, you refused to listen to me. And now you're trying to blame me for your mess. Okay, I beg, give me transport. Let me get out from here. I have an appointment with someone.
Don't worry, I will send it to your account.
You will send something reasonable. I'm not joking with you.
Anything you see there, you manage it. Well, she's only my cousin. It's just that we hardly reach out to each other. Everybody minds their business.
You know, I was surprised when she told me so. I was.
That's it, bro. Yeah.
You know, it's a big word to men, but to God, it's a small place.
I agree with you.
By the way, tell me, who is that girl that gave you that infection again?
You have to mind your business.
I'm your friend now. Can't I know? I'm looking out for you.
See, what is most important right now is that I'm getting treated. I'm better now.
Okay. You see why I am advising you to stick to one woman. This, you are here, you are there, you are here, you are there. It's not good. Imagine if this was a deadly sickness. You have contacted it.
It's not really easy, man. I hope to stop in due time. You know, it's not easy. Small, I think. I will stop.
Okay. Then this one is a spiritual case. This one that will take you small. My guy, you need deliverance.
I think you made a point. I need a deliverance. Okay. Yes. So you know what you have to do? Get me a pastor. Anywhere, any church. Take me there. Okay. I need to liberate myself.
Beautiful.
I need deliverance.
Yes. Yes, I'll take you to one of those churches where they wipe brooms for deliverance. Fornicator. Let me look for something to eat.
Linda, Dorothy came earlier. She wanted to see you in person.
What for?
To tell you the truth.
What truth?
That she's Ekene's sister. And that he loves you and wants you back in his life.
Are you sure she's not lying?
From everything I saw, I don't think she's lying. Besides, why would she even lie? I mean, won't it be stupid if she just brings herself all the way from her house to come here to tell me that, oh, I'm a sister and everything? Don't you think so? Besides, I saw that look in her face. She can't be lying. She's not lying.
Then why didn't she tell me all of that when we had the last conversation? I mean, she allowed me fool myself.
Well, from my own point of view, I think she was just afraid of how you would react. Maybe she didn't know if you were in a good mood or if she could approach you at that time or anything. I think she just had to just give it a little bit of time. That's why she came here.
My goodness. I am so ashamed of myself right now. I just hope she has not told Ekene everything I said about him.
Let's hope so. I mean, Linda, if you both sort out this situation, I think you should just limit the way you spend your money. Girl, use your head. Come on.
Definitely, I will.
Good.
That reminds me.
Yeah.
Ekene was here the other day. He came to apologize for his actions. And he also said he registered me for a game, and that I eventually emerged the winner.
What game?
The Steady Motors game.
Steady Motors game? Do you know that Aaron also gave me some money to register for that?
You also registered?
No, I didn't. I used the money for shopping. Then I lied to him that I had registered.
This girl.
So, wait a minute. You mean Ekene did all of that for you and you won?
Of course he did. Let me get the documents.
Hey! Eh? It's nothing.
Yeah. I was so surprised. Steady Motors.
Ladies, so my girl don't become cow now. Congratulations, girl. In fact, where are you taking me to? Because we need to paint the town red.
Anywhere you want. I'm ready.
Let's go.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. Are you going out?
You came to see me. You're such an amazing actor.
Ekene, please always pardon me anytime we have issues. I cannot always be right. Pardon my stubbornness, please.
Linda, I can't be standing here discussing all of this with you. Let's go into my house so that we can talk about this.
Please go.
Yes, hello, Dorothy. How are you? Okay, yes, I'm at home. Listen, I want you to keep me posted, okay? I'll see you in the office on Monday. Thank you.
Aaron! Aaron!
Hello, please, can you call him back? Who is this? Ella. This email I caught today. The thing that I was planning to go.
Is my phone there?
Yes. I've been looking for it.
You know, your phone was ringing. I was calling you, but you did not hear me.
Yes.
Did you pick the call?
Yes, I picked it. It was Ella, you know. The call was distracting me. I had something important I was doing.
Guy, now what for you? Eh? Why would they pick my calls?
I don't understand. Have I not been picking your calls? Why is this one different?
goodness, babe! Hey! That's body they suit me. Hey! Take a look at your girl now. Just
Babe, this is the best treat ever. Hey! Make I sit down first. Hey, well. Hey! What is...
Let me sit down. Hey, well.
What's happening? What did make body dey shine this one when they breathe on top?
Body is sweet me.
Okay, tell me. What's up?
Omo.
You needed to see the way I was pampered. I was feeling so special. Obviously. Take a look at your girl now. Hey! Okay, wait. Who took you out?
Babe, I can know.
Okay, so fine. Drop 19. Which kind of be that one? Where you go? You say you're feeling so pampered. You're feeling so this one. Never expected. You not shop for this.
Make I not chop again.
No. I mean, leave my peanuts. Respect
you don't see
yourself.
your blood today.
What be that one?
Calm down.
Anyway, so you finally decided to go with the flow.
Yes, now. Thank God I listened to you. If not,
Mama, no, they disappoint. But wait first, for the excitement can continue. Tell me. Hope in all your pampering and everything, you didn't forget to bring something back for me.
be like na your eye na dey fall this peanut.
Make I know, you do bring something for me.
Say normally I know they dull. So
as
they hot, na your own be this.
Babe, don't bet.
I go down you. You chop and yourself.
See my girl? Which one will I start from?
Where you like?
Hey, now. Oh, you said your own too much. So you carry water follow. That's what you dey do. You know they learn something.
I do you when I
water no dey house. Why you go carry water? You go buy this one. You go rest.
Because I do you when I dey complain.
I better take your tea.
I bring water for you. You don't blame me, sha.
But you're learning fast.
I dey inside.
Tonto, make us. Hey, this one ya shake go. See my girl, babe, don't beg. My word. Let me settle down and devour this one at least.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, okay?
It's fine. I was actually going somewhere when you called and said we should meet.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you for coming. Let's go somewhere conducive and talk, okay?
Okay. I'll just go from there.
Yes. Oh. Is this not Dorothy? Hey, what are you doing here?
I was waiting for a cabman to take me to your house. I called, but you didn't respond.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry about that. I was at the checkpoint. Okay, I said if I get to where I'm going, I'll call you.
Okay, should I go home or check up on you later?
No, just come inside. After my meeting, we can go home together.
Okay, thank you.
Dorothy, this is Ella, my friend.
Hi.
Ella, this is Dorothy, my personal person.
Hi, nice to meet you,
Ella. Dorothy, I hope I will not be disturbing your daily activities today.
Not really.
Okay, let's go.
I'll just drop here. When you're done, you call me.
Why? I came out because of you, because of what we needed to talk.
I know you came out because of me, but I'll just go to my friend's shop. When you're done with her, you can call me. I'll meet you wherever you deem fit.
Ella, we're not certain. Even if you say so, it's fine. Dorothy, please come to the house.
Okay, let me come to the house. Thank you very much. Hope I didn't interrupt anything.
It's okay.
Where did you see my sister?
On our way to the house, of course.
Dorothy, how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Morning. Well, I later spoke to Ekene.
Yeah, he told me about it.
Look, I hate to interrupt. I know you people have a lot of things to talk about. Come get the files. You'll talk later.
Don't worry, we'll talk later, okay? My brother.
You know, there is no need wasting your time. I thought we could work things out, but it is obvious we can't. Alright? Look, we can be friends. We can be friends. If you ever need me for you ever need me to assist you in any way, I'll be willing to do so.
Please. Please don't do this to me, I beg you. Please. Look, I am not the Ella you used to know. I am changed now, and I promise you. See, I promise I'll never do anything to hurt you again. Even if you need me to take an oath, I will. I promise you, please.
You don't understand. There is no need for all of that. Right? Like I said, we would still be friends. We will be talking.
Ife.
Yes.
Did Aaron tell you anything about me?
No. Something like what?
I don't know. I'm just curious.
Look, the only thing Aaron said was that I should forgive you. Alright? And let everything that happened between us go. That is what he said. I just want to put up with my girlfriend's little flaw. Okay? And see if she can change. I want to focus.
So, did she tell you anything?
Who?
Your girlfriend, Dorothy. And maybe she would have told you something to make you change your mind.
Ella, Dorothy is not my girlfriend. She's just a staff in my office.
She works in your office?
Yes. Why would she say something about you?
She said something.
But both of you barely know each other. You don't even know this person. You met her.
No, we've met before. We even had a fight.
Really?
I saw the day you dropped her off and then I confronted her.
So you are the person she told me about?
Oh God, I was right. She told you something. What did she tell you? See, I'm not a bad person. I am not. Okay, I promise I've changed. I promise you. If you want me to take an oath, I will.
Ella, it's okay. Ella. Let it be the way I have said it. Alright? You're my friend.
I don't do a game, please leave me alone. I was a fool, but never again. I don't do a game, please stay away. Don't wanna be your fool again. I don't do a game, please leave me alone. I was a fool, but never again. I don't do a game, please stay away.
Ella, must you tell him? Tell who? Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
If I knew, I wouldn't have responded with a question.
Listen, Ife is my ex. He was so caring and loving when we were dating. So the other day I saw him drop you. I was jealous because I still have feelings for him. But talking to him today, he said you're just a staff in his office and he doesn't have anything to do with you.
Of course, it is what it is. And he's a well-do man. And he wants to earn his respect by not going beyond limits.
That apart. You shouldn't have told him what happened to me.
I still don't understand what you're talking about, Ella.
You expect me to spill such a thing in this environment? Are you kidding me?
Ella, believe me.
I did not tell Ife anything. And if I knew it was private, why would I even tell him? I know both of us have a misunderstanding, yes, of course. But trust me, I did not tell him anything. I did not. Trust me.
So who did, if you didn't tell him?
I don't know. It could be Edith, my friend that referred you to me. I don't.
I think I know who is behind this.
Like seriously, babe. You mean he came here? Yeah, he did. Probably because I had been avoiding his calls.
If Aaron actually came here because he stopped taking his calls, that's to say he's beginning to love you.
Are you sure?
I wouldn't say I am sure. I am just trying to conclude based on what you told me. So I would suggest you follow your heart.
Heart? Trust me when I say our hearts can be quite deceptive.
Yeah, I know. That is when you have many thoughts in a situation that requires answers.
What about the other guy I met recently?
The one you're playing around?
Yeah, that one. He's quite nice. He's fun to be with. But the problem is, he always calls me at the wrong time.
Well, I think you know what you want. You know who you truly love. So why not just go for the one you love in such a dicey state?
That is really difficult. That decision is not going to be easy.
Yeah. Do not make a hasty decision. Take your time. I would suggest you take the two of them seriously, and anyone that loves you more wins your heart.
What is holding this guy? Why is this gate man not back? What is going on? I don't understand this. By this time? Oh. Now what for you? What is wrong with you? What held you for so long? Just to buy ordinary bread? Did you travel to Benin to get it?
Okay, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. The shop where we normally buy bread, those shops, they don't have exactly this one you want me to buy. So I had to go to the other shop very down, very far, sir, very far. Okay, if you see that place, hey, I waka tire, but thank God. If the rain can't start the fall, so I had to dodge. So that
give me the bread, please. You always have something to say. What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
Who be that?
Who's that?
Okay.
Ella, are you okay?
What did you tell Ife?
Bring down your voice. What if he's inside?
Oh, please don't give me that. We both know he just drove out.
Leave.
What did you tell Ife?
I didn't tell him anything. I mean, what did he tell you?
You've not answered my question. What did you tell Ife?
I'm asking. What did he tell you? I told him.
Is Ife aware you have STDs? Is he aware?
Yes, he's aware.
And you told him I gave you STDs?
I don't understand. Why would I say that to him?
If Ife is aware that you have STDs, it's either you or I that told him. So what are you trying to say? He met me the other day and said he's trying to reconsider us coming back together. But on a second thought, he just wants us to be friends. What's that supposed to mean?
Okay, the truth is that the last time you called, he was the one that answered your call. I'm sorry, I wasn't the one.
He was the one that did what? He was the one that answered which call. And I was busy ranting about STDs and the money you asked. What?
Take your voice down. You mean you spoke to him about the STD?
Yes, now! How was I supposed to know he was the one on the phone?
Ah, this guy, he told me he asked you to call back. That guy himself. It just be...
How am I supposed to face him now, even as a friend?
Yourself. Eh? You should have waited to confirm who is on the phone with you before you start spilling nonsense and rubbish.
If you weren't ignoring my calls, would I have called with a strange number? Eh? You got what you wanted, right? You got what you wanted. It's your fault now. You finally got what you wanted. Goat! Dog!
Did you hear me?
Yeah. No, my ear block. I don't hear anything, sir.
Get out.
Sir?
Get out!
But sir, the...
Are you mad?
Okay.
Hey! Guy, you don't try at all. Very, very serious right now. How can you do that? I'm really angry with you.
See, don't even make me mad. Don't get me angry. I'm supposed to be the one angry at you for sleeping with my girlfriend.
I don't understand. The last time I checked, she is no longer your fiancée. She's your ex. So please, stop calling her your girlfriend.
Really? All right, I accept. What about the first time you had it? What about the first time both of you had it? Was she my ex?
That issue is dead and buried. We're talking about the one on ground.
The one on ground that I created, I committed a crime? You think it's proper to come to my house with my ex-girlfriend when both of you are not courting? Check it now, guy.
Check what exactly? Now this whole thing's going to look as if it's my making.
Yes, it's your making. You brought this on yourself. You caused this.
I caused what? The last time she called, you didn't tell me what she told you. You even lied to me that you told her to call you back.
Now I see. If this is the reason for this madness, Aaron, come and beat me.
You know I cannot beat you, but at least you should have told me you still have feelings for her. I will not be in this mess, right? You would have told me as your friend and brother. Nonsense.
Alright, since you're traveling, right? Let me drop you off in the park, okay? Yes. Go.
So this is it, right? Wow.
Wow. I don't know why some men cannot stick to one woman. But then again, it may not be what you are thinking. Maybe they are just friends.
What? Friends? Just friends? In your dreams. If they were just friends, why didn't he pick his call when I called him?
Did you call him back immediately or after some time?
Of course, I called him immediately they left my site. Yet he refused to pick my call.
You know what? When you guys meet, find out from him if he was carrying someone's car at that particular location.
Babe, you don't know men. Just forget it. Because he will lie. In fact, he will swear with his mother, father, ancestor and everything. He will definitely lie. So let's just forget it.
I just feel that's the only way you will find out if he was with her.
Ayo. And Aaron. I still do not want to believe it. Okay. 1,000 ways to kill a rat, Sha.
Hi, hello, Ayo. How are you? I'm okay. I was wondering if you can come to the house tomorrow. Maybe spend a day or two. Oh, you traveled? Oh, that's so unfortunate. You know, I'm going to be at home tomorrow all through, so that was why And again, you said I don't want to bring you over to my house. I just want to show you that it's nothing. I just have my reason. No problems. See you when you come back then. All right, be safe.
Ayo is my friend's fiance.
Aaron.
What?
Aaron. You know what you're doing.
Sarah, I know I flirt around, but recently I'm trying to be a good person, a nice person. I have given you the answers that you seek, and yet you won't believe me. See, you can choose to believe whatever you want to believe. I really don't care.
Really?
I can't believe that you called me and you sent me a text to come and see you, and the next thing you are accusing me wrongly. For what exactly?
Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Attack, the best form of defense, right? Now you want to turn this on me.
I am not trying to turn anything against you. I've told you the whole truth, and yeah, you're trying to accuse me wrongly. I don't like it. Don't do that next time, okay?
Aaron, if you leave, I promise I won't take your calls ever again.